In today's video, I'm going to teach you a guide how to download Replit project. We'll walk through the exact clicks you need to save a complete copy of your project from Replit to your computer as a zip file. I'll also point out a few quick tips so everything goes smoothly and you know what to expect as the download starts. First, open your web browser and go to replit.com. Once the site loads, head to your main workspace or dashboard. This is where all of your projects, often called RPLs, are listed. Find the project you want to save, and if you have a lot of items, you can use the search bar at the top of the dashboard or sort your projects to make it easier. Click the project to open it in the editor. So you're inside the workspace with your files, console, and preview area visible. Now make sure the left side panel is fully expanded so you can clearly see the files. Look for the panel expand icon near the edge of the sidebar. Clicking it will widen the panel and reveal all of its labels. With the panel expanded, choose File Tree. This opens the File Explorer for your project. You should see folders like source directories and configuration files here. If the list looks collapsed or clipped, expand it so you can confirm you're at the top level of the project before you proceed. At the top of the file tree section, find the three dots icon, which opens the More Options menu for your files. Click those three dots. In the menu that appears, choose Download as Zip. Replit will bundle the files in your project into a single zip archive and start the download in your browser. Depending on the size of your project and your connection, this can take anywhere from a moment to a little while. If your browser asks where to save the file, pick a location you'll remember. Note that items managed outside the visible file system, like environment secrets or hosted databases, aren't included in this zip. When the download finishes, you'll have a standard archive you can open on your computer, perfect for backups, sharing, or moving the code to another tool. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.